Hey there! So imagine you're working on TMUX 3.2a, with two panes stacked vertically. The problem arises when you try to move from the bottom pane to the upper one to access the last executed bash command without success. Every time you press Ctrl-B, followed by up twice, it keeps switching back to the bottom pane, and it's quite frustrating, right? Now, let's delve into the solution. By adding the line bind key t prefix up select pane u to your whash.tmux.conf file, you can modify the binding behavior. This adjustment removes the R option, eliminating the unwanted delay between consecutive up key presses. This tweak effectively disables the feature causing the pane switch and ensures a seamless transition to the upper pane with just a single up press. In conclusion, by tweaking the key binding in TMUX, you can eliminate the pesky delay issue and smoothly navigate between panes. Remember, making this simple adjustment can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency. So, give it a try, and say goodbye to those frustrating pane switches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support means the world to me.